We got absolutely wrecked yesterday. Let me give you a little recap of what happened. So yesterday, I was trying to trade, what was it? Moderna, right? They had the mRNA. Look at my history. Absolutely wrecked. Lost $8 going long, lost $6 going long, then lost $27 going short, then lost $54 going long. This thing was going against me at every single turn. It was crazy. Then I lost another $30 apparently last night. Oh, I opened up a position because my friend was like, oh, they cured cancer. It's going to go long. So, what I will say, what I've learned is that for these scalps, because these were actually profitable, a lot of these trades were profitable at some point. But for these scalps, I would highly recommend, it's not advice. Well, this is advice. You need to be paying attention to what's going on. Look at it now, it's down. It's dropping. So we're going to take this short trade here. See, like right now, boom, it's in profit. And what I wasn't doing before is I wasn't locking in the wins. That was my mistake. So like right now I can click lock, and then that locks that gain in. So we just took some profit. It's doing the limit sell, so it's trying to sell. Every time we pop above that line, it's selling a little bit, selling a little bit, selling a little bit. And then it's also moving the stop loss, it's trailing. So that should close out. See, now we're already, oh, whoa. Oh, there we go, closed out. But what happened? See, we closed out, we still lost $5. Horrendous. So that's basically what's been happening. I've been getting stopped out and liquidated all freaking day yesterday. And so now we're down under $100. So I only have $8 left. I can't do anything more than an $8 position. Oh no, I have $25. I have $25. So yeah, this was basically happening all day yesterday. So there's a couple of things obviously I want to implement. We'll do Micron. Micron long that's probably healthier. Let's go Micron, 10x leverage long. Yeah, thank you. I just saw myself getting wrecked. I appreciate it. And then I have this CoreWeave position. Oops, I'm going to click on positions here on the left. I have this CoreWeave position, but this CoreWeave position is just horrible. I almost want to just close that CoreWeave position out. Just call it a day. Just take I think we're down like 50% on CoreWeave. What are we down? 30%? I don't know what it's going to take for CoreWeave to turn around, but yeah. It was definitely an interesting day yesterday. So what I would say is, if you're scalping, keep an eye on what's going on for these trends because they can turn against you. And also, the other thing is the volatility. Let's take that. The volatility is so high on a lot of these that you'll end up positions. Can we do? Oh no, wait, we only have 15. Yeah, we can't even really do massive size trades right now. Oh, it's reconciling my balance. So that's what it's doing. Okay. So see, right now, it thinks my balance is lower than it is, so it's reconciling it. So it takes a second to catch up. One of the things I've been looking into is a better service for him. See, now my $25 is back. Okay, so that's what's happening. So it takes a second to reconcile the balance, and I've noticed this. And one of the things that I've been trying to figure out is how to get a faster server, a faster node for trading. So I've kept my eye on a couple of options. There are a few that I've looked into, and I should have something hopefully by early next week that we can then use to trade. Because, yeah, right now it's pretty challenging to open up a position. And then if you see another position, but your balance hasn't reconciled, you want to get in, and we're still waiting for the balance to sync. So you could see earlier it wouldn't let me do a $25 position because my balances hadn't updated on Hyperliquid. Now it's letting me do it again. So let's see. And maybe I should have like a button that says syncing balances. Although it only really matters when you're trying to use as much margin as possible. Basically, if you have $100 and you have, $70 or $80 of it used up, you can't use and you just sell something immediately. You can't use that $70 or $80 until your balance reconciles. So that's what I've been noticing. And you'll see that pop up, show up all the time. All right, what is this? Oh, wrong way, buddy. So yeah, we're just gonna do a couple of these little scalps today. Nothing too crazy. We actually don't have that much capital left. We might have to just write this whole experiment off because we did switch a couple of models, and I feel like I've learned quite a bit over the last, what would it be, like we've been streaming for every day for a month now. I feel like I've learned quite a bit, and I think that I have a better strategy now. Let's go off a percent. So let's just look. We're going to go up to, let's see if we can get to like 5%, and then we'll take a profit. We can do a bunch of these little 5% scalps. Because the idea for this is to build a skill, build a pattern, right? You recognize the little pattern, you see something happening with a scalp, and then you can consistently, here we go. Boom. All right. It's still running. What else? Oh, why is crypto pulling back? I don't know. This seems like a good short. Oh, gotta wait. Oh, it did. Perfect. Oh, maybe not a good short. Let's just short ETH real quick. This is like very, what's the word? It's not very, wait, what happened? What was that? Oh, that was a position I just opened. You know what's probably happening? My CoreWeave position. Yeah, see, the CoreWeave position is coming up from negative $17 to down like -4, -3. Whoa, what's CoreWeave doing? All right, our ETH position. Let's see if we can get our ETH position 5% on our short here. Come on, ETH. And then what else do we have going on? Oh, here we go. 6% ETH. Oops, 7% ETH, 10% ETH. Whoa! Where is Ethereum going? Yeah, we're going to take that. Let's go. Let's share this. This was a good one. Dude, 1 minute, 20 seconds. A little quick W. Quick W in the chat. Let's close this. Let's see. Let's take a look at this CoreWeave. Let's keep an eye on this. This has been open forever. I think I opened this, 2 days ago or something. So I guess I could have the time here of how long this is running, although I'm trying to keep it clean and keep it simple. So, I like the layout of, you've got the 6 buttons, top left, you've got your markets, and then you've got the different assets in each market. Top right, you've got your profile. This shows your account balance. as well as your history of your trades, as well as the uh, the tournament that we're running. So we're doing a $250,000 giveaway to the top 100 traders. So these are the people on the list now. There's over 100 people on the platform, but this is the list. We're also going to be running a second thing, which I'm starting, which is this tournament here. And this doesn't work yet, but what it's going to do is it's going to be a way for us to have daily competitions live. And I'm building something that I think is going to be super exciting. I don't think anybody's ever built this before. And I'm not going to say anything about it because when I started dropping this whole F1 of tap trading, all of a sudden, everybody and their mother now is doing competitions in tap trading and trying to do this thing. Although they're doing it vertically, they're not really working with other teams the way I was thinking about it. And so everybody took that on. And so now I'm just going to keep this to myself, but I probably will launch it in 6 days, basically next week, next Wednesday. I'm going to do a private testing of it. And then after that, the week after that, I'll probably launch it to everybody else so that everybody can experience it. But, we're thinking about something around daily prizes where people can basically trade and win within the day or within the week. So that's coming, and that's what this tournament button is going to do, but it doesn't do anything yet. You can see my code interface in the background. And then obviously we've got like our signals. So this is what we've been trading. I'm still working on the swing signals. They're not really coming in with any, let's see, these are the signals down here. They're not really coming in with any meaningful edge or any meaningful signal as well, even though the trend ones are. But you can see how the trend signals work. Up means the asset just moved up, down means the asset just moved down, and watch means that you're watching the asset. Let's see, we also have our notifications, sound and haptics. There's a how-to, language and links. Those are also in there. And also, if you want to deposit, it's very simple. You just come into your account. There's a little green deposit button, and we can accept money from all of these places. So people have on-ramps with like Cash App, Apple Pay, from an exchange, bank transfer, Blink Cash, also a very popular option. And then we have our advanced section, which just allows you to export your private key and has some configurations. In the middle left, you've got your positions. So we can see that we have our CoreWeave position, which is open right now. And we're about to go to zero. Oh, nope. I thought we were about to go to zero. So we're down $1. Wait, are we down? Yeah, we're down $1. So this is our CoreWeave position. Not doing too well, but not horrible. I might close it out even though it's at a loss, just because this thing has been down bad so far that I just don't even know if we want to keep it running. But you can see we're up now. Funny. You can see which positions you're profitable in, which positions you're losing money in. Oh, are we going to get 5%? Are we going to take this 5%? Oh, no, this is dollars. Oh, we're up 6% already. See, took too long. Waited too long. All right. We're closed out all positions. We're over $100. We're going to stop here for today, just because it's been yesterday was tough. But tomorrow, when we come back, we'll do a little bit more trading. That's going to be it for this stream. Nothing too long, nothing too crazy. And I will catch all of you tomorrow. If you have any questions or anything, you can just obviously hop on, follow me on X. I'm at Joe Blau. And if you have any other questions, hit me up on Telegram. I'm at Joe Blau there too. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll be on tomorrow morning. Friday session should be fun. And I feel like I want to trade more of this mRNA because it's just been going so crazy, but you have to actively be watching. Look, I see it's down so bad. Let's go. Let's do one more. Come on. We'll do one more. But I have to watch this because this liquidates you so fast. If it goes against you, it just has to go because it's 10x leverage. It doesn't have to go that far against you to basically blow you out. And they can hunt you. Like, see this? Look, this is bad. So they can hunt you, blow your position out, and then keep going. See, this looks horrible. but is it gonna like see? This is bad. We should have gone long just now. Oh, it went from yeah. This is let's close this. It went from medium to it went from down to watch. So let's catch this going back the other way. We used to have a flip. Oh no. Oh my gosh. The market gods hate me. We used to have a flip button where you could flip the direction, but it was too hard because of the balance adjustments. You know, those made it really difficult to catch the flip. So you would have to, you know, if you push flip, sometimes it would lag on the flip. Oh my gosh, look at that. Lost $8 in 2 seconds. Yeah, good Lord. Oh my gosh. Still getting cooked. Yeah, see, we lost another $4 just like that. Yeah. All right, one more down. Let's go. Last one. Now it's going to go back up, liquidate me, and then go down. Let's see if we can catch this. Let's see if we have the patience. Who's watching my screen? Somebody's watching us trade. Let me get on X. Let me see. Stream is going. We're getting cooked. Oh, I need to post that picture. Oh, we lost $6. Almost $6 on that one. Where's that video? Hold on, I gotta find a video. It's too much activity. It's funny when you're trading, you feel like somebody's just watching your screen and they're like, how do we get this guy, one guy out? But these markets are moving so fast. They're so volatile. Like, obviously, you can trade quickly in and out, but you have to be, again, you know, like we're paying attention right now. But even when you're paying attention, it's still difficult to make a decision because you're going to, you know, you're like, you know, you see you're down 10%, you're down 1%. And just the fluctuations are kind of crazy. So it's definitely, I mean, if you want some excitement, it's definitely going to be exciting. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for we're gonna wait for a few more minutes to see how it goes, and then we'll call it. Dang, down 21%. I'm not going to have one Moderna win, it looks like, period, from yesterday till today. I'm basically getting stopped. I'm almost stopped out. We should have I should put the liquidation. It should show the liquidation price on here. So, surprised it doesn't. Yeah, it's kind of interesting that it doesn't show the liquidation price. I need to figure out why. I'll take a look at that. Oh boy. too violent. It's too violent, chat. We can't do this. What else is going on here? That's weird. There's a delay in the audio. Hold on, let me close this. Reopen this. See if there's actually a delay. Interesting. Down $5. 20%. Yeah, because we have a $25 position, so. Yeah, I mean, right now it's on watch, which means it's going up and down. So it's probably either going to break to the upside or break to the downside. And we're either going to get liquidated or we're going to make, $10 or something. So we'll see. We're in this range right now. It's been in the 141 to 144 for a second now. 145, I would say. So we'll see. It's going to break one way or another. But actually, you know what? Let me see. Let me actually go look on the main site and see what the volume is. Yeah, I had a break to the downside. Volume's picked up. But again, when you're looking at this, if you have, a certain amount of leverage, if you have 10x leverage, it doesn't take that much to blow out your position. So. Like we need this thing to just shoot down to like 130. If it shot down to 130, this would be a great morning. If it just started going bang, bang, bang right down, this would be an amazing morning. See this? It's not amazing. This is bad. This is the opposite of amazing. This is horrendous. Horrendous. I feel like I should take you guys with me to go get coffee. And we just watch this position liquidate. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm actually looking at the candle. Wait, what? Oh. I'm actually looking at the candle on Hyperliquid to see what's going on. Not very helpful. Not very motivational. But it's crazy that this thing opened at, what is it, 120 and then went all the way up to where it went up to. All right, I'm going to keep... I guess we'll keep you on the chat. We'll hold this open. I was going to leave, but we'll hold this open for another 5 minutes. Basically, we'll probably get stopped out. But I'm in the process of... Oh my gosh. Wrong way, buddy. Wrong way. Oh. Doesn't look good for us, chat. It doesn't look good. Oh, wait, what? This is too much. This is too much. This is too much, chat. No. Oh, getting close. Getting close. We're getting close. Come on, chat. Let's go. Wow. Still in the red. But we're going to make it. We're going to make it. Chat, we're going to make it to green. Let's go. Cure for cancer. Is it really that? Is it really that hyped? We're about to find out. This is a rocky road, chat. This is a rocky road. Down to 5%. I mean, well, is it down to 5%? Oh, now we're going back the wrong way. There we go. Wrong way. Oh, are we going to hit profit, chat? Or we just hit profit? That's all we need to do. Just profit. I just want one profitable Moderna. Look at my history, chat. Look at this. Look at this. If we click in here, we go to history. Look at all the Moderna. Loss, 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 loss. Oh, I had one gain and then loss, 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 loss. So this thing is moving so fast and so furious that it's almost impossible. I mean, you basically have to take the gain when you see it, which is fine, but it's just super, super tough to watch. I mean, this would be super exciting. Imagine if you had like $10,000 on this. You would see your money jumping and dropping so fast. I need to get somebody on a live stream who's got like 10K to blow, load them up into Block Swap. You know, let them do a live stream with where they see their balance going up, because what I'm doing $25 and I'm down $3, right? So if you had $100, this would be $16. And so if you had $1,000, you know, you're talking about $160 a move, something like that. It could be a pretty crazy. Oh, that was 1,000, then 10,000. Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, imagine somebody seeing their balance go up and down thousands of dollars a second. Yeah, that would be absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's see. Are we? Yeah. Well, I like it on percentages better. I feel like I've already been watching those enough where I have a good sense for what's bad and what's good. Or you can look at the price as well. Yeah. Getting crushed. All right, well, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to go out and I need to actually head downtown. So I will catch you guys later. Have a great morning. I'm going to let this run though. I'm either going to post this as a loss, which looks like it's getting towards. It looks like the candle is closing back up. And it's not going to close as an up candle on the hour, but it looks like it's the wick is going to be to the upside. So it looks like the bottom of the wick is in, I would just say. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll do some more trading. Obviously, we don't have much of a book. If nothing works out, we'll probably reset. We'll do another 1K to 10K attempt, because clearly this one didn't work out. But we're gonna keep trying. But right now we're down to $89. So from 1K to $89, and it's been a couple of weeks. But I think we've learned a lot, especially from the trading signals, and then also this mistake that we made, which is trying to trade these super hyper volatile assets. Yeah, we're about to be liquidated. We're about to be done. We're at 45%. Yeah, we're gonna close this out. I was gonna do another trade, but nope. I also think the thing